Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create this animation with Saber and After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, after finish video, I will share all project files for download. So first of all, let's go to text layer and let's write here text. And click session tool and change font size. Okay, let's change 215. Okay, so let's go to here, enable title action save and move to center our text. Okay, nice. Then select this text layer and hide. Let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid layer, and add name Saber. Click OK. Then go to Effects, Video Copilot and Saber. Okay, we have one lion Saber. So let's go to here and select color type. Select here text layer and select text layer. Text police. Okay, very nice. Let's change start size like this. And let's make offset animation. Let's make start offset keyframe. Let's press U for C keyframes and change offset 100. And go to 1 second. Change offset 0. Let's select keyframes, make easy. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's change quality quarter and select last keyframe, move to right. Okay, very nice. So we can change preset here and there are more presets for better animations. Let's for example select fog. Okay, very nice. Let's select mist. Okay, not bad. And let's search here fire. Okay, let's select fire. Okay, very nice. So I will use standard default. And in this time, let's open Flickr. And let's change Flickr 25. And let's see. Nice. Let's change 100. Okay, that's good. Let's change 75. Okay, that's good. So in this time, let's select this text layer and Saber. Let's right mouse, precoms, add name blue, and click OK. Back to main composition and select this blue. Let's go to project. Select here blue, Ctrl D for duplicate, and move to inside here. Let's open blue 2 composition. Select this Saber. Go to FX control. And let's change glow color to red. Click OK. And let's see. Okay, back to main composition. Select this rectangle tool. And let's make mask like this. Then click selection tool and open mask 1 and change mask feather. And change mask expansion. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's good. Let's select this mask 1 and change like this. Okay, nice. So let's back to blue 2 composition, and for better results we can play all these settings. For example, glow settings. Let's open glow and let's change glow settings here. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. Nice. Let's try change a little bit and open blue. Again, open here glow settings. Change like this. Okay, nice. Let's see here. Okay, that's good. Okay, friends, so random Flickr, let's go to blue 2, red composition, select Saber and change random seed 2000. And back to main composition, let's see. Okay, that's good. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.